Hello everyone, this is Tarot Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Aries, and at the end of the reading I will pull some extra cards, angel messages, unicorns messages from the unicorns decks. Okay, and this reading is applicable for the Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of the Aries. Okay, so we will start with the reading for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aries for the October 2020. Okay, so what are the messages, angels, guides? Please let us know. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And the messages, if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you want any personal reading, then you can contact me. I will share my contact details in the description down below. Okay, so we will start now for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aries, October 2020. What are the messages for the Aries for the October 2020? Okay, Ace of Pentacles, wow, Ten of Cups, Ace of Wands. Okay, so you are starting the new beginning. Okay, in the and the bottom of the deck is the Emperor. So your work life, your personal life, everything is going to be very fruition and happy, because this is the happy family card, the rainbow card, Ten of Cups. Okay, your wishes are going to come true, and whatever the planning you are doing for your business, whatever action you has been taken for your business, for your personal career life, love life, that is going to be work in the October month. So this is the very good month for you, October 2020. There are new beginnings. Okay, the universe is going to offer you the financial opportunity, so you have to take care of the opportunities. The opportunity knocks your door, you just have to grab that offers. You just have to take that offer seriously. Okay, because universe is going to give you the offers of money, abundance, prosperity, and a new beginning. For some of you, this might be the past relation, past workplace, past business, and you are now again starting that business, starting that career. Or some of you might be starting some old relationship, past relationship, or this might be your past life soulmate connection. Okay, so there are chances of new beginning. Okay, universe is giving you the wands that is going to flourish. Okay, so there are so many there are two stable offers are coming into your way. Okay, which will lead to the happy family card. Okay, some of you, this might be the marriage proposal, which people are looking for the marriage and the love connection. That is the your marriage card, happy family card. So some of you, you might be getting married, or you might be getting the marriage proposal from your past person. Okay, and that will lead you to the again the expansion of your family, because the pentacles sometimes denote the shows the pentacles is the energy of your family. Okay, so your family is going to be expand. Okay, so the emperor, and the emperor is the king of all the kings. So you will be in the power of your you will be courageous in this month, in the October month, and you will take the some strong decisions, strong actions. You will think very wisely. Your past experiences, past traumas, you has been learned your lessons, and you are now become wise, and you are able to take the proper actions now. So this is the card of Aries. So you will be in the authority position in this month, October month. Some of you might be getting promoted, some of you might getting new job, because there is a possibility of the new job. Some of you getting promoted, some of you getting new financial opportunities, new partnerships, new but I am strongly feeling that you are going to do by yourself, rather than participating or business partnership. You will be do by your own, means the business will be by your own. Okay, no one will take the, means you will able to do that with your own, with yourself. So new passion, new courage is there, and there is a chances of you will get succeed. because which is the happy family card. Okay, so now I will pull the messages for you from the unicorns text. What are the messages unicorns want to give you? Okay, so very nice month this October 2020 will be for the Aries. We will see. Please unicorns, let us know the guidance for the Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of the Aries. Okay. Surprises. See, look for the unexpected. Today I told you, you will get the offer. You just have to grab that offer. Okay, so surprises are going to come into your way. Look for the unexpected today. You just have to be hopeful for the things that this way some unexpected things will be come into your way. Okay, so make a ready for the surprise. Okay, there are surprises for you in the October 2020. Now we will take one more advice cards. What is the advice guidance for the sign of Aries? Help. To the help you need is on the way, so keep watching for it. You will get the help to expand these things, to expand this career, expand this family. Okay, so the Emperor, you will able to take that help. You will able to, I told you, you has been learn your lessons and you are now wise, so you will be think very properly to take the actions, because this Ace of Wands is the taking action. So you will take, this is the passionate, whatever the thing will be, the work will be the passionate, the connection will be passionate for you, but you will able to take the guidance in this month. You just have to be look for that help. Okay, because help is around you. Okay, everyone, unicorns are want to help you. Universe is with you, because see, your universe is giving you two major offers and the Emperor is the major arcana. So definitely you just have to be look for the unexpected and take a help. Don't be confused. Okay, now we will pull one extra card for you, last card. King of the Unicorns. See, you are blessed with the majesty, vision and power. I told you in the beginning, you are able to do the, you are able to take the actions, you are able to take the start the business, relationship, and the you will found the your courage. You will be in your power. This is the Aries card. Okay, so you are blessed with the majesty, vision and the power. Okay, universe is giving you the lots of blessings. So this was your reading for the Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Aries. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.